Friends, today we are going to learn about directing. Okay, which is the seventh chapter of your business studies book, um, NCRT. Okay, NCRT. So let's get started. In this video, I should tell you we are going to cover few topics. Whole the directing related to its importance, and then its features, then meanings. Then we are going to see half of motivation. Okay, the process of motivation. Most importantly, the three elements or interrelated part of motivations. Okay, so that much we are going to take in this video. So it is wholly clear that this is the part 1 of directing, and the rest of the chapters will be covered in part 2 3. We will see. Okay, let's get started. What is directing? Directing function of management is concerned with instructing, okay, telling someone to perform the thing, guiding, telling him how to do that, inspiring, जैसे करके दिखाते हैं, and motivating the employees in the organization so that their efforts results in achievement of organizational goals. Okay, so basically the important thing in this is these lines. Okay, let me just lock my screen. Yeah, so this is important lines: instructing, guiding, inspiring, motivating the employees so that they must put their efforts to gain the results and achieve organization ka goal. Now this was the meaning. Now if you have to write one definition, then the one of the easiest definition I have taken for you, that is of Ernest Dale. Directing is telling people what to do and seeing that they do it to the best of their ability. क्या करना है, ठीक है, और देखें, हम लोग देखेंगे कि क्या वो जो काम कर रहे हैं वो 100% कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, let's move on to the features of directing. First is pervasive function. Means it is required at all the level of the organization, whether top, whether middle, no matter it's lower. Okay, it is required at every level, so it is pervasive. Second, continuous activity. Okay, it keeps on acting, because if work will not happen, then company will get shut down, right? Direction is a continuous activity as it continues throughout the life of the organization. Human factors. It is basically performed by humans. Directing function is related to subordinates, and therefore it is related to human. Obviously, human are going to direct the ones. Okay. Since human factors is a complex and behavior is unpredictable, direction function became important. Then it is a creative activity, because a number of people have number of minds and number of thoughts, so they perform their activities in own way, in their own creative sense. So directing functions helps in converting plans into performance. Without this function, people become inactive. Okay, they lack efforts and physical resources are meaningless then, right? Executive function. Direction function is carried out by all the managers and executives at all the levels. Okay, so all are going to perform that, whether top or whether middle, right? Throughout the working of an enterprise, a subordinate receives instructions from his superior only. अब कोई लोअर लेवल वाला थोड़ी इंस्ट्रक्शन दे देगा सुपीरियर को, राइट? सो ऑलवेज द इंस्ट्रक्शन गोज इन दिस वे from top management to low management. Then delegate function. See, delegate function is the same. Delegation is supposed to directing the activities from the top level to the down level. ठीक है. Human behavior is unpredictable by nature, having delicacy in tackle of human behavior. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली डेलीगेशन में आपके लिखे आएंगे कि टॉप से लोअर लेवल को जो फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करने को दिए जाते हैं उसको हम डेलीगेशन ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द इम्पोर्टेंस. हाउ इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. इट इनिशिएट्स एक्शन. इट अलाउज वन टू डू देयर वर्क एंड गाइड देम हाउ टू डू दैट. ओके, to initiate action by the people in the organization towards attainment of a desired objectives, and why we are going to do our work to achieve our objective, right? Employees start working only when they get instructions and directions from their superior. ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय काम कब करेंगे? जब उनके सुपीरियर ही उनसे कहेंगे कि जाओ ये करके लाओ, जाओ वो करके लाओ, तभी तो लोग काम करेंगे. इट इज़ द डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन विच स्टार्ट्स एक्चुअल वर्क टू कन्वर्ट प्लान्स इनटू रिजल्ट. ओके, integrate employee का effort means collective effort. All the activities of the organization are interrelated, right? So it is necessary to coordinate all the activities. It integrate the activities of subordinate by supervision, guidance and counseling. What means of motivation? Okay, directing is a means of motivation. Okay, it motivates the subordinate to work efficiently and to contribute to their maximum effort. The highest one can achieve by doing their work, by giving his or her 100% towards the achievement of an organization goal. Facilitate changes. Employee often resist. Sometimes employees say no, this thing cannot be performed by me, or I want promotion, this is too heavy for me. So they directing facilitate. It teaches you how to do adjustments in the organization and how to build up with the changes and how to survive in the type of organization. Stability and balance in the organization. While performing the function, you have been instructed, guided and supervised by your inspiration person, the superior person, so they tell you how to do that. Okay, see, motivation can be defined as stimulating, means influencing, inspiring, inducing. Very important three terms. Okay, very important. The employees to perform their best capacity. It is a psychological term, it is a mindset term, which means it cannot be forced by all employers. See, motivation cannot be forced. One can only, like it is written, stimulate, inspire and induce a person. Motivation comes from self. There are three terms related to motivation in which these three looks alike and you might get confused. So, motive is why motivation. लाइक वाई, मोटिव क्या है किसी काम का. ठीक है, हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं तो मोटिव क्या है हमारे पढ़ने. मोटिवेशन. जब आप मोटिवेशन, पढ़ने का मोटिवेशन मिल गया, लाइक वी आर स्टडिंग. मोटिवेटर, द पर्सन हु हैज़ मोटिवेटेड यू. ओके, इट इज़ द ह्यूमन बीइंग हु हैज़ मोटिवेटेड यू. ओके, सी द प्रोसेस ऑफ मोटिवेशन. व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ मोटिवेशन? फर्स्ट वी विल गेट टू नो अनसेटिस्फाइड नीड. मीन्स जैसे आई एम ग्रेजुएटेड पर्सन, ठीक है, तो अनसेटिस्फाइड नीड, जॉब नहीं मेरे पास, सो ये मेरी नीड है ना, जॉब करने की ज़रूरत है ना, लेकिन है नहीं, सो अनसेटिस्फाइड. सेकेंड, अब इसी बात की मुझे क्या है, टेंशन है. ठीक है, अब ये टेंशन मुझे अंदर से बोलेगी कि कुछ करो इसको लेके. तो जो हम एक्ट करेंगे, जो पढ़ेंगे, जो इंटरव्यूज़ देंगे बाहर कंपनी में जाकर, उसको हम कहेंगे ड्राइव. ठीक है, आई एम ड्राइविंग टूवर्ड्स माई नीड, राइट. देन हम सर्च करेंगे जॉब्स के लिए इधर उधर. दैट इज़ माई सर्च बिहेवियर. देन हाँ, अगर हमें जॉब मिल गई तो दैट इज़ माई सेटिस्फैक्शन नीड. हमें जॉब मिल गई तो हमें जो नीड थी वो अनसेटिस्फाइड से क्या हो गई, सेटिस्फाइड हो गई, राइट. दैट इज़ अवर सेटिस्फैक्शन नीड. ना, अब हमें जो इन बात की टेंशन थी वो टेंशन क्या हो जाएगी, कम हो जाएगी. देन वी मूव टूवर्ड्स रिडक्शन ऑफ टेंशन. दिस इज़ द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ मोटिवेशन. इट गोज़ लाइक दिस, दिस, दिस. Okay, so this much only for this video. If you want to know something else related to all these both topics which I have taught you in this video, directing and motivation, right? So please let me know in the comment section below. And also guys, I want to tell you one thing, that we are trying to reach 1k of subscribers, so please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and keep supporting.